If you're interested in these 3 beauty secrets that are almost free, please keep watching. So just a quick disclaimer, I see with a lot of videos and in general, it's a lot easier said than done. I feel like with anything, you have to do it yourself in order to have the real feeling and really know if you like it, if it's working, if it's not. It's a lot easier for you to see on a screen and someone tell you to do something because it works with that for them, but it may not work for you. But just wanted to put it out there to the masses. My first number 1 beauty secret that I live for is to drink water. Water for me is easy now, but it's literally been a 10-year journey as to me just drinking it and it being my go-to drink. It was not easy. Drinking water will really clean out your skin, will help you lose weight if that's what you're looking for. My hair became a lot softer. I have eczema on this eye right here. The weather starts changing, it flares up a lot. Water really helps keep the skin moistened and not dry, especially because California is so dry. Your skin is susceptible of getting dry. So those are the physical sort of aspects of drinking water. But one of the things I felt with drinking water is my energy level's a lot better, and a lot of times you feel hungry but you're really thirsty. One tip I have for someone who doesn't drink water at all is to remove any sugary drink you have, remove it and replace it with water, because that will be the only option you have and it'll just force you to drink water. And eventually you're gonna reach for the water. For me, one of the things that helps me, I'm a numbers person, so I have to count how many ounces I drink or how many cups I drink and stuff like that. It motivates me because if I haven't got to my 2-liter quota, which is what I drink now, it motivates me in my mind because I know I'm close to it. So I like keep going. That's something that really helps me to measure and to count how much I'm drinking, which that may help you. A tip as to what has helped me to really get into water and drink water. Water is my number 1 beauty secret that I definitely wanted to share, so don't forget to drink up. Now next, my number 2 beauty secret is removing all your makeup every single day before you go to bed. When I mean remove it all. You can't just use one of these and call it a day because you have so much remaining stuff on your face that your face is not clean. It's just remove the first layer of your makeup. Makeup wipes really do help though with really matte foundations, waterproof mascara, waterproof eyeliner or eyeliner in general. Remove it with soap and water. Whichever soap you use is fine as long as it's taking off all the gunk and your entire day before you go to bed. The soap I'm currently using is this Purpose soap that I bought at my local drugstore. It takes all the makeup off of my skin and it's so wonderful. I love it. It's super cheap, it's super gentle, it lathers well. I need my soaps to lather. So taking your makeup off before you go to bed is so important to your skin's health and your face health. It will reduce you looking tired. Your pores are gonna be a lot cleaner, and you know, you usually sleep for 6, 7, 8, 9 hours a night. You want your skin to really rejuvenate itself, not with all that gunking stuff stuck on your face, you know? Girl, it's just you being clean too. Don't be dirty and don't go to bed without washing your face, okay? So my 3rd and final beauty secret that I live for is sleep. As simple as it sounds, you really need your beauty sleep, like legit. So I understand people that have full-time jobs, families, single mothers, go to school and go to work night, work morning. There's midday jobs where sleep is really disrupted. But wherever you can fit sleep and or a nap, do the damn thing. And it's needed for your physical health, your appetite. It's really important for you to really take care of yourself. It's one of those vital things your body needs to remain healthy and happy. So for me, I try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. It's easier for me. I don't have kids and I work one full-time job. I would suggest 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Sleep because your body needs it, and your body tells you exactly what you need, what you don't, how to feel. And a lot of times we ignore our body just because we have so much going on and life just keeps going, obviously. But we have to really listen and try to get as much sleep as possible. Those are my 3 beauty secrets that are almost free. I would say free because you need to buy soap anyway, and water you could get it from the faucet, so that's pretty much free. And please try it. Challenge yourselves with all 3 of them, or start with just one. I would say start off with 2 days because that's when you can really see the difference in your body, and there's been a whole 2 full days for your regular cycle in your body. So yeah, let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was very helpful and informative, and I didn't blab too long. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to drink water, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. I'm able to do it, especially the water one, because I hated water. When I mean hated, I looked at people funny when they drink only water. I thought that was the most random, nasty thing someone could do. Why drink something that has no taste? Like, who does that? You know? Sure enough, I was forced to drink water, and I am preaching about drinking water. So